Hello, this is my video submission for the homework 7. I'm going to be running through both of my scripts, script 1 and script 2 for our JavaScript assignment. Um, so first up was to just display the personal information. Uh, this one was easier than what we've done in the past, just as simple. And the second one was filtering the project by technologies. Um, and then I just created a filter. Um, and it uses the projects and technologies as an argument, and then it returns the technology that the user entered. For the next one, I should say a calculation of the total active users. So it just uses the reduce method, adds up the sum of any possible links, and then displays that. Finding projects with the specified technology similar to the second one, but almost kind of like reverse. Um, this method returns any project with the specified technology, and the calculation of experience in months. Um, One thing I finish by displaying, but just uses the each method, and then does the calculates the difference in months by doing the end date minus the start date. Um, Sorry. Count the projects by technologies. Uses the each method again, but this time to count how many projects are being used by which type of technology. And then find projects with the longest description. Uses the reduce method and figures out which one has the longest description and then displays that one. And these are the example types that were provided. Uh, so Now starting with script 2. So I believe the first step was or I guess this and then update the button in the background color. Um so made the button, and then when you click it, it will change to say clicked, and then it will turn green as well. Um then display the input field with a paragraph. Um So it creates this submit button in the input field, and then whenever you type into the input field and press the submit button, it becomes uh it shows in text below. And then for the next one, remove the items from list. Um, there'll be a list, and then next to it will have like a delete button. And when that button is clicked, it removes the item and the delete button from the list. And then creating a let's see what I said before. Change the background color based on a drop down selection. So there'll be a selection or drop down selection, and it'll have a array of different potential colors. Then it will show that next to, I believe, next to or below it. And then another similar thing to toggle visibility. It'll be a button that says toggle, and then it will have nothing underneath it. But when it's clicked, it will change colors. Implement the increment count. The button will say increment when you click on it using the method will increase the count by 1. And then validation for the submission. It makes sure that you have a name and email input, and both have to have some type of text in there to get the submitted successfully button. If not, um, you'll agree with an error message. And that is the two JavaScript codes that I have today.